So whenever we do any topic or if we complete any chapter, so I wanted to have a interview kind of session, so that you should be familiarized with what type of questions they will ask in the interview part. So based on my earlier class, okay, so I wanted to take this approach. Okay. So this you have not done it yet. This is SOC analyst, okay. So then you have security engineer also. The same thing, you have the same thing here, okay. So how will you explain it from a security perspective, a security engineer, okay, who is having more than 5 years or 6 or 8 years experience? The same question, okay. So I have a different perspective for that. So I am not going to ask what is the difference between a security event and incident. Okay. So whereas in security engineer, okay, so this will not be asked. Okay, that will be very basic, and that will be like insulting. If you are asking this question, means you are insulting a more than 5 years security professional. Okay. So I have composed it for a security SOC analyst. So 1 and 2, okay. Then this will be for security engineer. It will be SOC 3 or security engineer or whatever you want to go to that role. This will be a bit advanced. Okay. So I shared you that one. Okay. So now Hemant, now you tell me, you are able to see the screen, right? Let me stop the recording here. Start recording here. So this will be a dangerous tool with respect to antivirus. Okay. Some antivirus will detect it. Okay. This is the dangerous tool. I will not allow. It will flag it as a virus file. Okay. So there is nothing to worry about Nmap. It will just see that open ports, closed ports are filtered ports, means which are blocked, which are filtered at the firewall end. So those are how it will be done, the port scanning here. So I will pass the recording here, so that all the numbers have these active connections. Okay. So they are all running the service here, 7, 9, 13, 17, 19, 80. All these are services which are below 1000. They are very important services. Okay. So these are the remote connections that I have made. This is my source IP. Okay, this is my target IP. So if you see it here, you are getting here listening, and then established, time wait, close wait, established. Okay, listening. All that you are getting it here. Okay. So these are the basics. Okay, whenever you try to ping or try to open a port. Okay. So first it will be active open. Okay, you are a client here. It will say, okay, this is closed. Okay. So then you will send synchronous packet here. Okay, which will be having a sequence A, means sequence 1. Okay, if you ping also, you will get the same like this. Okay. Then you will get at the server, you will get sync received. Okay, I have received it. Then what it will do, it will send the acknowledgement here. Sync, I got your sync. Okay, yeah, I am sending you the acknowledgement. So once it will send the acknowledgement back, after that it will receive the sync response. Okay, so now it will give the, okay, I am established the connection now. Okay, so I am sending you the acknowledgement from my side. Okay, so this is called 1, 2, 3. This is the three-way handshake. This will happen in TCP. So UDP will not have this type of handshake. So now we will go in details. Okay, this is what the three-way handshake is. Sync, sync plus acknowledgement, then acknowledgement. Okay. Okay. So once this is done, you will have a connection established. Okay. So now we will go in details in this. Okay. Once you have established the connection, data will flow now. So you are seeing the blue color here. You see the window here. So this is where your data will be transmitted. Okay. So this is where your data will start. Okay. Then once the data is transmitted, then it will send, okay, I am done with the data transfer. So I want to finish it. Okay. So finish means you terminate this connection now. I don't want the connection now. So once you send the finish connection, it will acknowledge. Okay, I got your acknowledgement. Now let's finish the connection. Okay, then it will send the acknowledgement. Okay, that is how connections will happen. Now we will see. Now we will see how this is being done. Okay, you see. Now listening, it's established. Okay, you need to time wait, close wait, established and listening. Okay. So now we will see in detail on what is this close wait. Okay. So let me ping it from one server here. I will log in into one server. Okay. This will be my Windows IP address. Let's start it. That is coming, the IP address. Ping 10.148. 10.70. Okay. This is -T I will put. Okay. So I am pinging my IP address here. Okay. So I am pinging the through Wi-Fi. I am pinging now. Okay. So now let's see our connections here. Okay. I will type Netstat -AON. Okay. So now you see it here. Time wait, close wait. See. So So whenever there is a first signal, whenever it sent, it will do a sync here. We are not getting the sync packet here. So first it will send the sync packet here. So then it will be sending the data here. Okay. So I have kept the continuous ping here. Okay. If you look here, it will be sending continuous ping here. Okay. So now you will be responding. My computer will be responding now. Okay. Now we will see the command prompt here. More I will type. Okay. So that we can go line by line. Okay. So this is keep on sending that packets here. So once the connection is established, it will be sending out now. Okay. Acknowledgement now. Okay. Now we will go little bit here. Little bit deeper now. So once this is you send the finish signal, okay, so it will acknowledge the finish. Okay, let's finish it. I am done with the transfer. Okay, I don't want it now. Then once it is acknowledgement sent, and then it will send a finish flag. Then it will say, okay, I have taken your finish signal. Then the connection will be closed here. That is how a connection will be closed now. Okay. Now you will see this in a much deeper form. Okay. Listen. Okay. First it is closed. Then you want to sync up. Then you will send it. Then it will receive that sync packet. Once the connection is established, then you are sending the information here. All that whenever you establish a connection, this is where your data will be passing now. Okay. So now once the data is passed, it will say, okay, so I am done with the data, I am going to finish it. Then there will be finish wait. Okay. Then there will be one more finish wait. Okay. Once it is done, then the connection is closed here. Okay. So this is how you will be receiving that packets here. So this is how the communication will happen in depth. This should be you should be knowing as a security professional. So how is your TCP is being dealt with it. Okay. So whenever you do try to scan any network, or if you are trying to ping also, your firewall will capture this mechanism. Okay. If you try to hack it, or if you want to see that result also, in TCP, without this you cannot make the connection here. Okay. So then once you done with this, then your connection will be recorded in firewall. So and so person has tried to make a connection. So I have established a connection, and this is my log. This is what the firewall will capture. Okay. So now host A and host B, connection established and termination. So this is for establishment and this is for termination. Okay. So when you send a packet, okay, the packet will look like this. Okay. TCP header. Okay. So it will have data here in the TCP. Okay. Then it will send the IP data here. Okay. It will put the IP address information. Then it will pass. Okay. Then at the Ethernet header, it will give that MAC address, and then it will pass. That is how your data will be passed, your packets will be passed. So now you should be able to understand this, how the connection is being established, how the connection is being closed, and then how the connection is being established again. So we call this as flags. Okay, TCP, finish, acknowledgement and sync flags. Okay, that's it about your